Bold Moves family, you're back in the building, and it's another one of these boxes. Focus. Thumbnail. Point, come on. Tap in with us. So, Bold Moves fam, I got Miss Kyra in the building. Say what's up. Alright, so this time we are doing Canadian snacks. Not that many in this guy. Got on Amazon. It's from Snowbird Sweets, Memories of Home. So, I don't know if y'all can see that, but yeah. Anywho, y'all, these hopefully delicious treats on here. We're gonna have Miss Kyra go ahead and pick the first one out for us. And these are called what?
Cheesies.
Cheesies. It says made with real cheddar cheese. Meow. Made with real cheddar cheese.
Where's Roger?
I don't know.
Roger.
Alright, come on. Cheesies. Alright, there we have them right here. So, kind of look like Cheetos, huh? Like crunchy Cheetos. Alright. So since you picked these, you'll be the first to try them out. Chill out.
No.
You'll be the first one to try them out. Come on. Alright, I'm gonna get one too here.
I think they're all.
They are. Let me see. Oh. Well, they definitely taste like Cheetos. Would you rate these?
2.
2 out of 10?
Yeah.
Me too, I agree. Alright. Next thing on there. Let's see. What should I pick? Let's get the nasty one, I think, out of the way.
No.
Oh, yeah.
Trying.
Yeah, let's try it. Alright. These are called glossettes. Everybody that knows me know I ain't a fan of raisins. They say glossette raisins. Glossette raisins.
Offset.
Oh. No, I don't like raisins.
I don't.
Kind of like raisinets. Kind of like raisinets. I don't know if you can see it. Probably can. Little raisinette type situation. Alright, let's try it. Okay. Alkaline up.
Alkaline up. 9.5, get it right. Alkaline up. Yee.
Oh, you got ice there for one. Hold in the cup. Alkaline up. Ugh. Hee. Oh my gosh. Yeah. One thing about me, I don't like raisins. You like raisins? He went over there. Alright, on to the next one. Oh, there you go. So what that say right there?
Sour Patch Kids. Menards.
Menards. Sour.
Maynards.
Maynards.
Oh my God! Wow!
Sour Patch Kids. So, want me to open them or you got it? She's gonna open them up. Just basic Sour Patch Kids. What would you rate the raisins?
0.
0. I agree. And the Sour Patch Kids?
7.
7 out of 10? Well, I like Sour Patch Kids. Obviously, she does as well. I'm gonna give him a 9 out of 10. All right. Another pack of Sour Patch Kids. These are called Maynard's Sour Patch Kids Sour Cherry Blasters. Man, I like cherries. So, let's find out. You don't? Well, we're gonna find out today. It might be a little sour, so you might like it. Let's find out, shall we? Oh, there's little cherries, little cherry bomb thing. Got a little cherry flavor a little bit. Kind of tastes like the red Sour Patch Kid though, huh? No? You don't like it?
I do.
What would you rate this one?
7.
7 out of 10 as well? I'm gonna give it an 8 out of 10. It actually ain't that bad. It's pretty good.
My eyes watering.
I see it.
Don't see what this is. It's good. Where's chocolate?
It's chocolate right there, man. I like it. Yep, that's all.
That's coffee.
Oh, Henry chocolate.
How do you know?
No, had it before.
Imagine, if you will, sitting down to your morning coffee, turning on
Oh,
your
Henry
computer,
chocolate.
read the day's news.
I believe.
Well, it's not perfect.
Might be the same thing. I don't know. Yep, chocolate.
In fact, both local San Francisco
Oh, Henry bar.
are investing a lot of
Oh,
money
yeah.
in trying to get a service just like that started.
So, Old Henry consists of crunchy peanuts, chewy fudge, caramel, chocolate coating. You like it? She don't like it. Let's find out. Oh, Henry, I believe I've had this before.
Tastes good.
Baby Ruth.
All of those,
Okay, about a month and a half.
why they taste so good.
Chocolate. Canada, I don't know. Tastes like Baby Ruth. Yeah. What do you rate that one?
0.
She didn't like it? Give it a 5 out of 10. Excuse me, 5 out of 10. Good.
Yeah. It's like a Butterfinger.
This one's called Wonder Bar. Alright. Let's see what Wonder Bar is all about. See if it's Wonder Bar. Is it melted? Oh shit. Ugh. Oh gosh. Okay.
Why'd you see?
No, bro. That one you might like. We'll just like a wafer. Like a chocolate wafer. Not bad. What would you rate that one?
4.
4? I'll give it a 6 out of 10. Good comment. Oh my god, sorry. Oh yeah, it's your turn. Okay. That's it. That's that kind of chocolate. We gonna call that one what?
Big Turk.
Big Turk.
You're not
All
Big
right.
Turk, I'm sorry. He's not so turbulent.
More chocolate here. Caramel chocolate. What? Oh, what
This
the
is not
hell? What is that? Why are you sniffing? I don't know, man. I don't know, man. Nope. Cats can't have it.
No, he's sniffing.
No, you don't want him sniffing anything.
He didn't even like it. His eye twitched. What is in it?
Kind of like the gelatin from Sour Patch Kids. And chocolate. It got like a bubblegum flavor. Nah.
Nope.
No. That's a 0. Nope. You said 0 as well? Alright. This one's called Eat My Bar. Here we go. Original dark toffee peanut chew. Oh boy. Ready for this one? Alright. Toffees. Here. It's a
That's
chew.
cheese and chocolate.
It's a chew. Yeah. Chew situation. I don't really care for toffee.
It has no flavor. Just tastes like coffee.
What would you rate this one? 2 out of 10? I agree. Maybe 1 out of 10. I'm not feeling that one. And that. How you pronounce that?
Maltesers.
Maltesers? Show the world! What look like? Look like little Whoppers or whatever? The little Whopper candies?
Nails.
Yeah.
3.
No bad. A Whopper. A Whopper.
Cheese on the side.
Please don't be no cheese. Oh no. Candy. It's candy. It doesn't say cheese. Like a little Whopper bars. Usually during Halloween. Wafers. Like them? It's like the regular situation. Not bad. 6 out of 10. Yeah.
Peanut tomato.
Oh. Dude, you might like them. Maynard's. Fuzzy Peach. Maynard's. Must be a popular brand out there, like kind of like Hershey's out here, or Reese's or something like that. Let's find out, shall we? Maynard's Fuzzy Peach. Little peach action.
Yeah. I don't like peach.
I like these.
It tastes like peach rings.
Mm-hmm. Like peach ranch.
7 makes sense.
Oh god, no. What do you rate these?
4. I don't like peaches.
9. 9 out of 10.
Are you sure this is a Swedish snack?
Fly from Canada. She picked the Maynard's. Swedish berries. Kind of like a berry situation. Berry gummy situation. Like a little vitamins. So.
I can't taste it.
Tastes like nothing. Throw one.
Yeah, like tastes like Swedish fish.
Yeah, it was Swedish fish. Yeah. Zero. No flavor. Ugh.
It has a flavor. It's like
It tastes like shh. It. 0 out of 10 for me. What's ready? 0. All right. Down to the last 4. Oh, this is you. You're gonna do that one. All right, I'll do it by myself. Fine. I'm gonna slide it on the table. Oh, you don't like cherries? Okay. This one, I guess I'll pick. Is called Cherry Blossom. It has like cream stuff in there, though. Ugh. All right.
it's like jelly.
Not a fan, y'all, so it might be throw up alert. Let's find out. Or maybe I don't know. I just usually don't like candy like this. But I do it. The chocolate tastes good. But I know y'all waiting for the cherry. And I'm scared. I don't know if y'all can see it. Nah. The chocolate tastes good though. Whatever chocolate they have, it's fire. That cherry flavor, it's awful. Oh, I gotta clear my palate. Alright. Smarties. From Nestle. You know what Smarties are. Smarties are very smart. Alright. And here you go.
Why are they so big?
They're from Canada, eh?
They look like diarrhea chips.
Some diarrhea chips. Oh, okay. Alright. Alright. Diarrhea chips. They crunch.
That threw me off.
Oh, really? The chocolate?
Yeah.
It's like a plain M&M. Would you agree? What would you say on this one? 4? Like, get it with a 5. She was thrown off by the crunchy M&M. Because she used to be like a sweet tart kind of, right? Yeah. I'll give it a 5 piece. You try that yourself. As you, I don't one by myself, you do one by yourself. Alright, this one's called
Thrills.
Alright. And this one consists of, it says, it still tastes like soap. Oh no.
No.
But it's gum. Looks like a little chicle. Chicle. Alright. There you go. And now I'll try one as well. You little chicle. Here, chicle. Hard gum. Oh.
The flavor. Tastes like soap.
There we go. Yeah. Ugh. Nah. What'd you rate that one? That's a 0 for me. You like it?
It tastes like baby.
That shit tastes nasty. Nasty!
It tastes like baby powder.
These taste like baby powder. Oh. There you go. The last one. All by itself. This one is called Macintoshes.
It's spicy.
Ugh. Still, bad taste in my mouth. Macintoshes. She trying the last one, y'all. Here we go. It's a topping. Show the world. It's a toffee. It's a toffee.
It tastes like little caramel things.
Is it good?
No,
What would you rate that?
0. I can't even bite into it.
Ugh. Get it together. She couldn't bite into it.
I don't think the ones are supposed to just. He actually uses that.
Alright. Oh my gosh, damn cat. Anyway, Macintoshes, would you rate that? The flavor? 0? Alright. Well, again, guys, this was the Canadian box. You can go check them out at snowbirdsweet.ca. Overall, would you rate this box? 2 out of 10? I'll give it a 5 out of 10. It has some cool stuff on there. The malt balls is good. The O Henry's are straight. The Sour Patch Kids is good, but the best one to me was the Peach Guys. Those are 5. What would you say the best one for you? Sour Patch Kids. Oh my gosh. Anyway, we got a bonus one for you guys. Something for the summer that I picked up. I know it ain't Canadian, but it's a little bonus little situation. These are Sprite, Legacy Sprite, and it is kind of like a lemonade, limonade, as they call it, celebrating 50 years of hip hop. Yeah. So we're gonna try this out for you guys and let y'all know what we think. Tap in the comment section and let us know if you tried it before. And away we go. Tastes like a lemonade Sprite. Like it?
It tastes like Sprite.
It tastes like Sprite. Oh my gosh.
Just with like two drops of lemon.
It's only 2 drops of lemon. So you like it? Alright, what would you rate that one?
10.
Oh, it's a 10 piece, so you think I should keep selling that one? Alright. She says a 10, I'm gonna give it an 8. I think I expected more of a lemonade, but it's like you said, it's more of a Sprite than a lemonade. I mean, it's not bad. I'm a 7-up job myself though. But anyway, if you're new to this, don't make sure last time checking us out, make sure you like, comment, subscribe to the channel. We'll be doing more and more stuff like this, keep it in something slight, something simple. I'd like to thank Miss Kyra for joining me in this video. Until next time, Bold Moves, we keep it moving.
No.
We keep it moving. She ain't gonna do it, but we keep it moving. Holla at your boy. And until next time, we out.